Financial analysis. This is the core skill set which you have to develop whether you are a bank executive or finance executive. Bankers have to develop proficiency in financial analysis because when they lend credit facilities to SME corporate borrowers, significant amount of lending decision is influenced by financial analysis. And if you are a finance executive, then you should know how your organization is performing. For that, you should be able to apply the knowledge of financial analysis. Only then you will be able to explain the position of your organization, let it be to the management or to the external stakeholders. So, in that context, financial analysis is important for both bankers as well as finance executives and professionals. And if you wish to learn more about financial analysis, I invite you to check out our comprehensive online course, but you can get the demo version of it. Yes, we have created a demo version of our comprehensive course. You just have to comment demo, DEMO, and you can get free access.